actually, when they first came in, they're all naked. Now you can see they're starting to get some feathers here. Little feathers.
How big would you say, how big would you say they are? Unreal to see something that itty bitty.
So tiny. I mean, you can see them swallowing. It just goes.
Yes.
I want one.
Pick up their poop and throw it out. So.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave it at 5:35. That way we'll know.
I'm just gonna change it.
Can I have you actually kind of hold out your hand?